Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. I have Rancilio Silvia. This machine was brought in because it was leaking from the steam wand in the brew group. So we replaced the steam wand assembly here and inside, and we did a tune-up, descaling, deep cleaning. The group had replacing the screen and gasket, and here it is, so we're going to test it. Looking good. I'm going to stop it there at 1 ounce. We'll flip the steam switch, wait for it to heat up, and then we'll test the steam. Okay, probably good enough to get some steam. Encourage the water, and there's steam follows. Again, it's still heating for the steam pressure. That's why it's slightly weak, but you can see that we've addressed the leaking issues and everything's working fine. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.